Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2016 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. It has one previous owner and comes equipped with power side mirrors with signals, keyless entry, deep tinted glass, and much more. Looking for a midsize pickup that can do it all? You should definitely check out the 2016 Toyota Tacoma. This Tacoma has 16-inch machined contrast alloy wheels and all-terrain tires with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Tacoma is in great condition. It has auto-off projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps, along with fog lights, a tow hook, and a really nice grille with a chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Tacoma has rear-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 21 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget, this Tacoma only has 16,541 miles on it. At the back of the Tacoma, you can see the antenna, the cargo lamp, and the sliding rear window, along with the locking tailgate, the step bumper, tow package, large brake lights, and sleek badging. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Tacoma has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the cup holders and the under-seat storage, as well as the seat back pockets. These seats flip forward, and there are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is very well appointed with nice chrome and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the adjustable fabric bucket seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. The Tacoma is also equipped with a locking glove box, selective service internet access, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the cargo lamp, the power door locks, and the power windows with front row express up and down. This Tacoma has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with the CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice activation. You also have large climate controls, and everything is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as a lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car at any time. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.